Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to integrate a Spring Boot application with AWS Secrets Manager Service. So let's get started. First, I will explain about some theory points about AWS Secret Manager. So let's open the some notepad to write some bullet points. So AWS Secrets Manager. So what is AWS Secret Manager? So in microservices development, storing sensitive information like database credentials, APIs, keys, and headers securely is crucial, right? So instead of hard coding them in each service properties YAML file, so use a centralized secret management solution to avoid duplicates and enhance security. Like we have a few services are there. These are services called a microservice. Microservice contains individual services, right? Each service we have the so API token, API key, database credentials, like that. Multiple sensitive information is there. Sensitive informations are there like username, password, API key, secret, access key, token. These kind of sensitive information are there. So we don't want to expose an application, or we don't want to hard code. Like few applications we have multiple microservices, right? So these key used in multiple applications, so that means it is a duplicate. Same key we are adding in every service, that means it is duplicate. To avoid duplicates and secure, to achieve this we are using the AWS Secret Manager. So, like we will store sensitive information in AWS Secret Manager, like config server. Config server is nothing but we will integrate with Git bucket or GitHub, like that. In that we need to create one repository. Inside repository we need to create a one file like application.properties. In that we need to add key value pairs. So by using key, we will retrieve the value. Azure Vault. This is also we can store sensitive information like API key, database credentials, etc. And another one is AWS Secrets Manager. So this is also we can store sensitive information. By using key, we can retrieve the value. So in this video, I will explain about AWS Secret Manager. So let's add few points about AWS Secret Manager. So in microservices development, in microservices development, in microservices development, storing sensitive information like storing sensitive information like database credentials, database credentials, API keys, API keys, and headers securely. So securely is crucial. Crucial. Here, this is the most important point. See, in microservices development, storing sensitive information like database credentials, API keys, and headers like authorization header, tokens kind of securely is crucial. So Next point, instead of hard coding them, instead of hard coding them, instead of hard coding them in each services, hard coding them in each services. So properties file slash YAML file use a centralized secret management solution to avoid duplicates and enhance security. See here, these 2 points are important about AWS Secret Manager in microservices development, storing sensitive information like database credentials, API keys, and headers securely is crucial. Instead of hard coding them in each service, either in properties file, either in properties file or YAML file, use centralized management solution to avoid duplicates and enhance security. So we can store sensitive information in few approaches. So recommended approaches or solutions. Recommended solutions like one is config server. Config server is nothing but we need to create one individual microservice. In that microservice, we will add in properties GitHub repository file link. By using that link, we can retrieve the key value pairs. So second one, Azure Vault, Azure Key Vault, Key Vault, Azure Key Vault. So next one, AWS Secrets Manager. These three approaches used to we can store sensitive information. Other more approaches are also there, but these are the mostly used in real time. Up to I can repeat one more time, then I will explain prerequisites for this. This is this video, this tutorial. AWS Secret Manager. So in microservices development, storing sensitive information like database credentials, API keys, and headers securely is crucial. Instead of hard coding them in each service, either in properties file or YAML file, use a centralized secret management solution to avoid duplicates and security and enhance security. Recommended solutions config server, Azure Key Vault, AWS Secrets Manager. So for this video, prerequisites are must be installed AWS CLI. So this is the AWS CLI video. So Let's open AWS CLI video. This is the AWS CLI video. I will provide this video link in description of this video. Must install in your system first before starting this integration. So now let's check the version of AWS CLI. So for that, open the CMD. By using AWS CLI, we will connect to the AWS account, AWS services. So AWS version. Let's check after installing successfully check. So you will get this kind of, that means AWS CLI is installed. So now let's create the service AWS Secrets Manager Service, and let's insert some key value pairs like API key, secret key. Let's add two key value pairs. So let's open the AWS console. Sign into AWS console. Once you are open to AWS console. Let's search AWS Secret Manager. AWS Secrets Manager. Secrets Manager. You can search like Secrets Manager. See, easily rotate, manage, and retrieve secrets throughout their life cycle. So after that, store a new secret. Click here. See, these are the choose secret type. So credentials for Amazon RDS database. This is the document DB. That's it. Credential for other databases. So we can store by using AWS Secret Manager database credentials, other type of secrecy, API key, OAuth token, others. So I am selecting others. So let's add the suppose I am mentioning access key. This is the some secret. Suppose this is the one secret. So let's add another. So suppose API underscore key. These are the two secrets in my microservices using. So I am added. Next, we need to mention the secrets name. So here this is the environment. After that, secrets name. So suppose dev. This is the some secrets name, right? So app secrets. This is the secret name, right? Let's save in somewhere. Secrets name. So this is the secrets name. We need to check region as well. See US East one. Let's take region as well. If you are in another region, you can also, if you want to change, you can use this. Otherwise, you can use other region as well. It is recommended to use US East one. Otherwise, any region also fine. So region US East one. So after that, some description if you want to add it. Otherwise, leave. Next. So next, this is some Java sample code. If you want to refer it. This is the Java code, JavaScript, CS, Python, Ruby, Go, Rust. These are some sample code will be there. What to retrieve the secrets. by using detailing. This is some sample code explain it how to retrieve the secrets. So store. So let's go to AWS Secret Manager. See, these are the secrets. You can search secrets, secrets manager. So this is our created secret manager, right? Dev app secrets. Click here. If you want to add new secret, then you can see a retrieve secret value, right? Click here. After that, so edit, add new row. You can add other key value pairs if any. If more, you can add row like that. You can add. So save. So now we have successfully created AWS Secrets Manager Service, right? So next, see here. So we are selected others, right? While creating AWS Secret Manager, we are selected others. Store a new secret. Here we are selected others type of secrets. So other types of secrets, it will store API key, auth token, others. If any other key value pairs are there, it will be stored. So suppose if you want to delete a AWS secret manager name, then it will be schedule a time period for 7 days minimum to delete it. So if you want to delete the secret, it will take 7 days to delete it. Suppose I want to delete this. See, waiting period. Schedule a deletion. See, must be between 7 to. So if you want to delete this, you need to wait. Waiting period must be 7 to 30 days. I'm canceling. So this is the done, right. So now let's create the access key and secret key. By using access key and secret key, we will connect to the AWS through the AWS CLI. So credentials, scroll down, create access key. So select checkbox, create. See, these are the access key. This is the access key. This is the secret key. So I said right in prerequisites must install AWS CLI. By using AWS CLI plus these access key, secret key, and region, I will connect to this AWS account. So create access key and secret key. We are created, right. Note these details stored in .aws folder under C drive. So these details after we are connected by using AWS CLI, these details will be stored under, so in C drive. So users, this is the username here .aws. Here it will be stored. Let's see. Let's open what is there in this file. So suppose I am opening Notepad. See, these are the access key and secret key. See, access ID, GE, right? Let's see. This is the GE. Now, what we get? Let's check. GE, that is HE, right? So, let's try to connect. These details will be updated in that file. .aws folder will be there. There will be updated these details. So, now AWS configure. We need to enter this AWS configure. It will ask access key. So This is GE, right? After we are configured, it will be changed to this is the HE. This is the access key. We need to enter the secret key. So this is the secret key. So after that region US East -1. So output format suppose JSON. We are successfully connected. Let's check. Let's open this file again. See, it is showing date 13. So it is updated now. Let's open. Previously GE, now will be HE. See HE. These details will be updated here. So in configuration file, I will use default credentials. So these details are the access key and secret key will be retrieved from the .aws file. My configuration class will be retrieved from the .aws file. So this is where now successfully connected with AWS, right, by using AWS CLI, right. So we are used while connecting. We are used access key, secret, region, output format, right. Now let's create the project. So file, new Springboard project. Suppose I am giving like secrets manager test Java version 17. So remaining I am not changing. Next verb verb dependency I am adding. Next we need to add the AWS dependency as well. So I will show which AWS dependency we need to add. So Spring Cloud AWS starter secrets manager we need to add. So let's add that dependency. Here dependency. Every dependency two parts, right? Group ID, artifact ID. Let's so group ID IO dot AWS IO dot AWS Spring dot cloud CLOUD IO dot AWS PRING dot cloud CLOUD. Right. Next artifact is spring hyphen cloud hyphen AWS hyphen starter hyphen secrets hyphen manager. Remember here group ID always with dots, like it is a package. Artifact ID is a project name. There is no dots. Spring hyphen cloud hyphen AWS hyphen AWS hyphen starter hyphen secrets hyphen manager. So scope is not required. Let's add the version. Version is important. Let's add. So 3.2.1. By using this group ID also we can get it in by using the MVN repository. That is also I will show. Suppose MVN repository, which is Amazon MVN repository, right? Paste here artifact ID or group. You can paste artifact ID. So scroll down. If you are not found, you can straight away you can paste in Chrome browser. You will get it. See, I am using 3.2.1. This I am using. Same. You can also directly here copy this, paste in form.xml or build Gradle file will be there, right? There you can paste. This is the AWS Secrets Manager dependency. AWS Secret Manager dependency. So this is the done. Let's go to the resources. We need to add two key value pair. Two key value pairs. We need to add two key value pairs. One is AWS dot secret manager dot location. So we have stored, right, one AWS secret manager name notepad. So here this is the secret manager name, AWS secrets manager location or name. So second one, region, AWS region equal to, we are using US hyphen east hyphen 1. This is the we are using. So let's create the package called configuration. So let's create the configuration. This class is most important. Let's check US hyphen east hyphen 1. These are the spellings are most crucial. Let's check capitals like that. This name is recommended to place all characters in lowercase. Remember, you can use this is the profile name after the secrets name. So now let's create one package like configuration. So package com.in.configuration. Here add like secrets manager config. So class secrets manager config. Check the spellings. Secrets manager config. Finish. This is the configuration class, right? So add at configuration or at the rate of configuration. So now let's, we have two key value pairs right here. Let's this read by using at value annotation. Private string secret manager location, secrets manager location. So at value So dollar symbol. Let's copy the key. AWS Secrets Manager location. So paste here. Another one private string region, right? So at value dollar, this is the symbol AWS dot region, right? So now let's create one bean to retrieve the secrets. So public, I'm taking as a map. So key is a map, value also map. Key is a string, value also string. So now secret value, secret value. This is the secrets manager client. Secret manager client. So secret manager client. Check the software.amazon.aws SDK. These are the package names must be same. So now so up to done, right? So let's, this is the secrets manager client dot get get secrets value. We need to pass consumer right. Get secret value request. So for that, let's create another private method. So now create one private method. Private get secret value request. Same get secret value request. So in this method return secret get secret value request dot, so builder dot, we need to pass secret id. So secret name is there, right? That one we need to pass. Secret manager location, right? This we need to pass build. This is our. So let's add some command here. Pass secret name here. So pass secret name here. We need to pass secret. So we are reading this secret value location. We are reading by using get secret value request. By using this method, we are reading the secret value location. Nothing else, right? So now this dot get secret value request. So we are passing this location to secret manager client. Which location? Secret manager location, right? So after that, see what it will returning. Get secret value response. So store get secret value response, get secret value response. So secret value, right? Now we need to here we need to convert. So now let's create another private method, private. So map string comma string parse secret value. We need to parse or convert secret value. Parse secret value. So string secret value in this map. So let's auto-write the. So let's use the Lombard. Let's add the Lombard as well. Add starters. So Lombard. Next form.xml finish. Let's use other item required R constructor private final object mapper like we are using auto override. Similarly we need to use final. This is equal to auto wiring only. Otherwise we can use this annotation. We can mention like at not null. That means required or constructor. This is called a constructor injection. Constructor injection. This is called a constructor injection. Constructor injection, right? So object mapper is there, right? Object mapper dot read value. So this is the secret value. So class type map dot class semicolon. It is we need to handle the exception. So surround try with cat. So now let's return this. Return. So let's add some logger as well here. For that, use the SLF4J Lombok. So now here log.import successfully fetched secret values. Here this is the parsing, right? So add parsing secret value, right? Suppose if any exception, let's add log.error, log.error, error while parsing, error while parsing secret value. Suppose we are printing the error, so comma a dot, that's it. We can use er get message like that. I want full message error information, so I am using just e. So that's done. Suppose if it is exception is raised, I want to return some dummy value, so return fractions dot empty list, empty map. This is map, right? I am returning empty map. So now here this is for the parsing secrets, parsing secret value. So now return this dot parse secret value. So these are the secret value, right? Dot, so secret string, that's it. So this is also may chance to raise the exception. So let's add try catch, try, so catch, so exception e. So if it is exception raised, let's return the empty map. So like this one. Suppose if exception is raised, let's add some logger error. So error like error while fetching secret values, error. So I want full error, so I am adding like this. So I want to know after entering into this method, like, so this method is called. For that I am adding one log.import. So successfully patched secret values. So select all, Control Shift F, Control S. So this is the code. Here these are the secret name. This is the region. So this is the constructor injection. By using required all constructor, we need to must should use final. So secret value. This is the where added client. So get secret value. Get secret value nothing but secret name. In this private method, we are returning the secret name. In this one, we are parsing. So nothing but this secret value we are converting into map. We are converting into map, right? So Now so this is the done, parsing is done. So this method is used for the user to fetch, user to fetch secret value, user to fetch secret value. Now credentials. So these credentials, I said right, credentials are stored in .m2 folder, right? Default credentials and region loaded from .aws folder under folder under C drive, right? Default credentials and region like access key, secret key, and region loaded from .m2 folder under C drive. So in C drive, otherwise in C drive, .aws folder is there in users. So for that public secret 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 manager client secret manager client. So secret manager client credentials, right? We are passing credentials to this method, this client. We are passing the credentials. Like we can use basic credential provider, then we need to mention the access key and secret key. I said I go to the .aws folder and access it. So basic is not required. For that use default credentials, default default credentials provider. Here default credentials provider. So equal to default credentials provider dot create, right, semicolon, next. So return. So now secrets manager client dot builder. Now we need to pass region dot c region. So region dot of method will be there string. We have the above region, right, at value we are reading this. This one we need to pass. So after that credentials provider default credentials provider, this we need to use. After that dot build. So select a control shift F. So this is the up to the configuration is done. So let's create one service. So right click class. So let's create one secrets manager fetch service. Secrets manager fetch service. So suppose So this is here in configuration. This will be there, right? You need to fetch the value, right? Secret value, this name. So let's create one private map, private map, string comma string. So secret value. Let's add final control shift O. This is the service class at service. After that, at required all constructor, right? Maximize. So I want to read one key. Private static final. Private static final. So private static final string. Suppose we have added keys, right? Let's check which keys we are added. So go to AWS Secret Manager. Retro secrets were added like access key, right? Suppose API key. Let's take API key. So now private static final string API key semicolon. So public string fetch secrets value by using key fetch secret secret value by using key. So now this is the right secret value. Fetch secret value by using key. So dot. So this is the map, right? We have the so default default some method default. So either if found it will be retro, or I am saying let's give the empty space some space. So it will be a string suppose API underscore key. So API key. So next otherwise return straight away instead of return it. Right, it is done. So let's initialize with API underscore key. So done, right? So now let's add suppose main method. Otherwise this is the done up to this service is done. So let's add some command get secret value from AWS Secret Manager get secret value from AWS Secret Manager. So, but this is the bean in configuration, right? Dot getter default. We're passing API key. We're retrieving the value. We're storing into this string in fetch secret value by using key, right? So this is the service is done. So let's go to the so this is the service class, right? Let's move to service. Move to service. Okay. Now let's this is the see run what is written configurable application context, right? I will use get bean method to get the service class. After that I will call service method. So this one AC. So imported next AC dot get bean. We need to pass secret manager service. So secret here secrets manager secrets manager fetch service dot class. So it will return the same class. So service by using this service reference. So let's print the value system.out.println this dot fetch secret value by using key, right? So this is the done. Let's run this application. If we are successfully fetched, let's see what we will get. This one API guy, right? F238. This we will get. So run as Spring Boot application. Maximize. See some spelling mistake. Let's check configuration. AWS region. Control as spelling mistake. Run as Spring Boot application. We are added loggers. Loggers will be printed as observe. Here this started, but it is not printing anything. So let's verify. So this is the configuration class. Actually, this is a bean method. I forget to add this is a bean method. This is bean is not called. This is a bean method. Control S. Let's run again. Run a Java application. See loggers will be printed. See successfully fetched secret value. Passing secret value. So this is the secret value. So if you want to So suppose you can store into string secret value equal to, after that you can use system.out.println. So API API key API key value, so plus secret value. Otherwise we can also some more better string dot format some message, API key value. So $s, we need to pass retro value, this one, close this, like that. Run a Java application or Spring Boot application. Some errors are there, let's check. Close another one, Control S, Spring Boot application. So let's stop the server. It is saying already is running, so you are again running. See API key value. So see F238 we are successfully fetched. F238, right? In this video we are successfully understand. So how to integrate a Spring Boot application with AWS Secrets Manager. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.